everyone, so today I have got another unboxing for you guys. I have got the Beauty Bay Galentines bag. This is a bit late going up, I'm very sorry. This is what it's come looking like. It's in a red Beauty Bay box makeup bag, which I really like. I like the way this makeup bag looks. I think it's a nice size, has a little handle. You could even use it maybe as a packing cube, I feel like. This did cost £40. It says it's worth over £140, so we will see. We'll see what we got in this bag. So, the first thing we have got is this phone charm. It's like a lilac phone charm that says Obsessed. I actually use one like phone charms all the time, so yeah. Then we have got the Essentials Lash Serum. So this is quite a pricey product. It's like I'm sure it's quite pricey. Yeah, I can't remember how much it is, but I'm sure this is quite a pricey product on its own. So we did get that. That's quite exciting. Then we did get the All Hours lip stain from the Beauty Bay own brand. That is what it looks like there, but it doesn't say what shade it's in or anything. So it's looking like one of them things that go on purple and then you pull, yes, and then you like pull it off or something. What you see on TikToks and things, like what you see on like TikTok and stuff like that. Yeah, that's what it's looking like. Okay, I didn't know Beauty Bay had jumped on the bandwagon and done one of them. It says, apply the lip stain and let it set for 30 seconds before wiping away using a damp cloth or tissue. For a more intense high colour impact, simply reapply, leave it a set and remove for it's finished. So basically, if you want it to be more of a deep intense colour, you do 2 layers. Then you do get the Beauty Bay brand paddle hairbrush. Then we've got this, which I actually don't know what this is. It's a Beauty Case keyring. Even this is to maybe put one of your Beauty Bay lip glosses in or something like that, because they would probably fit. That is what it looks like there. Would you use it? Is it something you would use? I'm not sure if it's something I would use personally. Next we've got a tiny little mini of the Billie Eilish perfume. It's the Eilish one. It's just a roll-on one. If you like this perfume, it's going around and doing its rounds. Then we've got another Beauty Bay item, and it is the lip prep. So it's the exfoliating lip scrub. I've recently just got that in the other one, the gym bag one I got. Then we've got a jelly lip oil, so I feel like we're quite lip heavy. I feel like we've got quite a few lip things up now. This is a nourishing lip oil with jojoba and macadamia oils to smooth and sheer wash of glossy colour. So it looks like a Lancome glossy chew, doesn't it? Doesn't it? That's so cool. Yeah, that looks like a bit like a Lancome glossy chew. Then we've got the High Key mascara. I've actually been after trying their mascara so much, so I'm quite excited about this one, to be honest, if it's the one I'm thinking of. And then we did get the LH Cosmetics powder puff, which is quite exciting. I love a good powder puff. And then the Pista La Resistance, or whatever, you know, whatever people say, whatever that is. We have got an Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss, so another lip product. But I mean, this is a bougie lip product. This is in the shade Deep Taupe. So this is exciting. I want to see like swatches of this before I open it, because I don't want it to be wasteful. But this is what it looks like. Yeah, it looks very nice. Very excited about that. So we will see what we think of that. And that is everything you get in this bag. It was, like I say, £40, but I bought 2 items and they were doing a thing where if you spent over so much you got like 20% off. So I actually got this and something else a little bit cheaper. But honestly, I'm very happy with it. The lash serum and the lip gloss from Anastasia Beverly Hills pays for this itself, the two of them together. And then some. So everything else is like a bonus, but you're getting this lovely bag as well, which I'm very excited about. Yeah, so that is what we got in that Beauty Bay bag. What do you guys think of it? Did any of you purchase this in any ways? Let me know down below. I'm sorry it's not available anymore. it is what it is. If it probably won't come in stock because it's a Galentines Day thing, but if it does come in stock, I'll have it linked down below for you. But I will have the Beauty Bay website linked down below. So that is what I got. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like these type of videos, I do lots of like unboxing videos and things like that, so I would love it if you subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one.